My name is Alex. I'm going to show you guys affiliate programs that pay you instantly every single day with affiliate-based marketing, a mid-ticket and high-ticket program that can pay you $250 to $500 in instant commissions every single day with this affiliate marketing program. My name is Alex, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right here because I post videos every single day showing you guys how to make money online with affiliate-based marketing and get paid every single day, 100% commissions. So let me show you guys proof that this program pays, right? So I just got an email from the company that says, hey, congratulations, you have a new customer, as you can see. And this customer just paid me $250 in instant commissions. And this money went directly to my Stripe account. But it can go to your bank account, your Cash App account. But I just want to show you guys proof that I'm making money with this company. As you can see, congratulations, you guys a customer. And it just made me a $250 sale. Now, what am I doing to do this, right? So I'm using a website or affiliate program called Fearless Mama, and it pays instant commissions every single day, 100% commissions, and $250 per sale per affiliate commission. And all you simply have to do is share this page with people, right? You advertise and market this page and earn $250 in instant commissions, right? So all you simply have to do literally is three different things. Inside this system, it's all about lead generation and getting people in front of this system and let the system sell the person and earn 100% commissions and simply earn $250 per person. Like I've been doing it on this email, says $250 per person. And it's only really three simple steps. You sign up with the system, you collect your 100% commissions, and you get paid. It's just that simple. And all you simply have to do is send people to this video. Send people to this video, and you can get paid every single day in instant commissions, and you can get your commissions sent to your Cash App account, your Zelle account, your Venmo, your bank account, or your Stripe account. Now, let me show you guys exactly what I'm doing to make this happen, right? So a lot of times people make videos of like, oh, join my program. This is what I'm doing, right? I'm making YouTube videos, right? Plus, I'm doing Craigslist ads, right? Craigslist ads. Plus, I'm doing some offline marketing with flyers, right? This is all I'm doing. And I'm sending people to this website right here. Sending people to this website so I can earn $250 commissions. And it's just that easy. So I'm making YouTube videos with a link inside the video, right? Very, very, very simple and easy. Craigslist ads. I'm posting small ads on Craigslist for $3 to $5 with a link inside of the ad, right? My flyers just have a work from home opportunity with link in flyer. Then I'm sending them to what's called a capture page where I collect the email, right? Collect the email. Then I send them to the video, right? So this is what I'm doing. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm making YouTube videos. So I'm making YouTube videos right now. You guys can watch some of my videos. I have the link in the description. Craigslist ads. I'll show you guys Craigslist ads. I'm posting $3 to $5 ads on Craigslist with a link in the description. Flyers. I'm posting flyers up because I live in New York City with link inside the flyer and simply sending people back to this video. And you guys can do the same thing to earn affiliate programs that pay instantly and daily. I showed you guys the email that just came in, earned me $250 commissions. And like I said, I tell you guys what I'm doing. YouTube videos, Craigslist ads, flyers. I'm sending people to a capture page where I collect the email then I send them to that video I showed you guys right there. Then I'm simply following up with email marketing. And this whole process takes me about 1 to 3 hours per day to do everything, right? So if you have 1 to 3 hours a day, you want to make $250 to $500 a day, then this affiliate program is for you, right? Because I showed you guys proof that Fearless Mama pays. As you can see, email came in, $250 membership, and I tell you guys what I'm doing: YouTube videos, Craigslist ads, flyers, and collecting emails. That if you guys want to do Facebook, we have Facebook training, we have LinkedIn training, whatever. We have training for you guys to help you simply promote this program, and all you simply have to do is promote the link, send people to the video, and collect your $250 in instant commissions. So if you guys want to join this program, there's going to be a link in the description below. Go check out the link in the description below, or go to my YouTube channel and watch some of my other videos about Fearless Mama so you can get a better overview of how this program works and how you can start to make money online with Alex and earn $250 to $500 a day with this affiliate program that pays instantly every single day. Here's the proof again. So get started. Click the link below. Go watch the video. Go sign up, and let's start making money together. If you have any questions, come to email me or text me, but let's make money online together with this program that pays you $250 to $500 a day every single day. And come to my website, enter in your email, and let's make this money.